Hi folks, this is the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Maths Paper 2 for 2024. First question, we just need to put these into order. Here's taking smallest to biggest. And it's just going to be 37, 42, 54, 74, 76, 82 and 91. That's all you have to do for that part, and then the next part we have to find out the median. So it gives us a hint that median is when you cross off the numbers from left to right. So if you cross off smallest, biggest, next smallest, next biggest, next smallest, next biggest, you get 74 in the middle. That's your answer. And then an explanation, find the median of these scores and explain. So it's a score. It's the score in a history test. Therefore, it's the middle amount. So mention middle when it's median. You could say it's the middle amount. A better way of phrasing it might be that half of the students in the class got more than 74 and half got less than 74. So maybe if I wrote something like that. So 74 is the amount that the middle student would have got. Right, so the range of the scores is 61, and range means biggest minus smallest. That's what it means. Therefore, when we do the biggest number, take away the smallest number, that should give us 61. Therefore, so let's work out the maximum possible value of x. And it says that all of the scores are different as well. But if the smallest other number was 37 and none of the numbers are the same, well, x can't be 37, so the maximum number it could be would be 36. That's the maximum it could be. Therefore, if x is 36, you're trying to think of what number minus 36 would give you 61. So if you just add on 61 to 36, it'll tell you what it is. And that's 97. So 97 minus 36 gives you 61. 36 is the smallest possible value, or sorry, the biggest possible value of what x is. So that's y and that's x. And then the last one, it's asking us about the mean. To get the mean of a set of numbers, we have to add them all together and divide by how many there are. So there's 5 numbers there. Therefore, if I was to add up all those numbers, so if I was to do 15 plus 16 plus 19 plus t, whatever t is, plus 26, and then if I was to divide all that by 5, I should get 19.6 in the end. That's where we get our equation from here. And you can treat it as an equation if you want, or try and think about it. Another way you can think about it is, because they're all being divided by 5, if I just multiply that by 5 straight away, that tells us what all of these should add up to. That's kind of a way of thinking about it without putting it into an equation. But anyway, if you one way or the other, you have to multiply by 5 first, and if you do 19.6 multiplied by 5, you should get 98. So we get 98 then is equal to all of those numbers added together. If you add up the other numbers apart from the t, you should get 76. And then all we need to do is just take away 76 from the 98, and it gives us 22. So t is 22. And that's all for question 1.